Hi friends, how are you? I am Muhammad Leon from Leon's PD, and in this tutorial I'll show you a Facebook time management tool. Actually, Facebook is a place where all the things are available like entertainment, politics, news, sports and whatnot. Actually, this thing happens with me very frequently that I log in Facebook for 5 minutes, but when I log out from Facebook, I see I spent almost 1.5 hours and I didn't even notice. Okay, so what if I will set a reminder, like when I use 15 minutes or 30 minutes, from Facebook itself will give me a reminder that you have spent 15 minutes. Will you want to spend more, or you can log out here. In this tutorial, I will show you a Facebook time management tool where you can set a reminder. Okay, let's get started. After logging in, tap on this menu icon, scroll down. From here, tap on settings and privacy. From here, your time on Facebook, tap on here. Scroll down. From here, manage your time, see tools. So tap on see tools. Scroll down, see daily time reminder. Receive a reminder after you have used Facebook for the amount of time you choose. That means if I use a certain time, so after using that certain time, Facebook will give me a reminder. Daily time reminder off, so just turn it on, and see, we will send you a reminder after you have used Facebook for the amount of time you choose. Your average time per day on this device in the last week is 48 minutes. Okay, from here I will select maybe 15 minutes. Not only 15 minutes, from here you can use 30 minutes, even 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes is highest, so I am selecting 15 minutes and just tap on set reminder. Set reminder. Now at this moment, if you use 15 minutes, this sort of reminder will be given. Your daily time reminder. You have spent 15 minutes using this Facebook app on this device today. So you can snooze for 10 minutes, you can dismiss. If you snooze for 10 minutes, after using 10 minutes, Facebook will give you a reminder like this. Okay, and if you dismiss, it will not give you reminder in today or in 24 hours period. It will give you reminder in the next day. Okay, I'm going back. From here, see your time. So if I tap on see time, see time per day. Average this week versus average last week. Average this week is 48 minutes and average last week is 20 minutes. That means in this week, in average, I have used 48 minutes per day, and in the last week that was 20 minutes. Okay, if I scroll left, see daytime versus night time. Average night time this week 25 minutes, average daytime this week 23 minutes. That means in this week at night I have used 25 minutes per day, and in this week at day I have used 23 minutes. Swipe left, visits, your time on Facebook. See the number of times you opened the Facebook app on this device. So first one is average per day this week, and the second one is average per day last week. In this week I have visited 23 times, and in the last week I have visited 15 times. So and if I scroll down a little bit, see weekly update. Receive an update each week to see how you are managing your time on Facebook. If you turn on this option, you will get a weekly reminder. So that's all. Okay, if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, you can comment in the comment section. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.